welcome back to Sai Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlamini's from the 23rd to the 25th of December 2024 on Monday. Njengaye frees Nomfundo from his clashes. However, she is disappointed when Mxolisi refuses to accept the condition of her freedom. Vusi is excited to start over with Gcina on Tuesday. The Mbambo family convenes at the Msamo, seeking Bali's forgiveness. Phetheni is unsettled upon discovering the helpers visited Nomfundo on Wednesday. Phetheni goes all out for her traditional Christmas lunch, but Gcina and Vusi make an unceremonious appearance. Nomfundo feels lonely and reaches out to Themba, but is shut down. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Everyone.